Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is November 16, 2016. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, looking at the S&P 500 E-mini futures, you're going to see that the futures are trading lower this morning by about 7.5 points to 21.71 and 3/4 per contract. It looks like the futures really overnight took a little bit of a tumble. It's not a huge move down considering the size of the move up lately. So again, futures just really pulling back from an overbought condition. So we'll see how this market plays itself out today. But either way, this is an options expiration week. This coming Friday will be options X for the month of November. So expect a lot of game playing. Expect to hear a lot of rumors, a lot of upgrades, a lot of downgrades, and all-around grades. This is just typical options expiration. So again, take it one step at a time. Let's look at some stocks in the news because that's where we're going to make some money today. First one we're going to start off the day with is Agilent. And what you're going to see here is stock reported earnings, company reported earnings, I should say. Stock is trading at 46.05, closed at 45.40. So you're getting a little bit of an uptick. I don't really see this getting much above $47 today. So either way, if you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, not much we're going to look to do here. But we will look at the intraday pattern once the opening bell rings at 9:30. So we'll see how that plays out at that point in time. Next up on my list is another company reporting earnings. It's Lowe's Corporation. So LOW, you know the company here. Looks like they reported earnings. Stock is trading down on the news. So whatever they said, whatever they did, market reacting in a weak way. Stock closed at $69.05. It's now trading at $65.50. You do have a big double bottom low at $62.62. This goes all the way back to February of 2016. So much earlier in the year when the market was selling sharply. Lowe's found low at $62.62. There will be some support there. And then I do like the $60 level for a bounce area. I think you have a fair amount of support at $60. So keep those levels on the radar today. They may come into play, and we'll see how it plays out. Yesterday we did have earnings from Home Depot, which Home Depot reacted very, very well. Lowe's coming out with their earnings today, and market not reacting so well to the stock. Looks like the stock is trading lower. So we'll see how that plays out today. But anyway, keep those levels on the radar. Next up, we're going to take a look at Target, TGT. And Target right now trading at $77 a share. I think we have a lot of resistance around this 78 level. So I don't really expect it to trade much past there today. But either way, this is a good reaction to earnings. Stock closed at $71.44. You can see this is quite a pop for Target. So either way, Target should stall out around the $78 area. I don't really see it going much above there. But nonetheless, if you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, there's not a lot you could do with it at the moment. So we'll see how that plays out. Now, in sympathy to the up move in Target, we always want to look at Walmart. Walmart this morning catching a bid as well. Stock closed at $71.42. It is now trading at $72.20. So this is a good little pop for Walmart, but I don't see a whole lot of upside here either. So be a little bit careful with both of these names. And if you own them, just trail the stop losses. That's the best you could do. Next up, we're going to take a look at an upgrade today, which is Disney. Disney getting an upgrade. Stock closed at $97.70. Now trading at $86.61. It was higher a little while ago, but it has pulled back a little bit. But nonetheless, still up about almost $1, 90 cents higher from its close. I think Disney right now is a little bit overbought on the daily chart. So again, it's going to need to consolidate sideways, in my opinion, for a few days before making another attempt to go higher. But either way, nice move on Disney today. Let's take a look at JKS, which is, I believe, Genco Solar. And you're going to see here is the stock came out with earnings. It is reacting pretty well. Stock closed at $13.75, now trading at $14.75. So this is a good little pop higher. Again, we'll look at this one closer once the opening bell rings, and we'll see where it goes. But nice little move for JKS. Now this morning, with the futures being a little bit lower, we are seeing some weakness in Deutsche Bank. I know I haven't talked about Deutsche Bank all that much lately. It's been rallying. But today you see the stock trading down a little bit, right around $16.10, closed at $16.55. If the European bank stocks come under some pressure, that definitely will weigh on the overall market. So be aware of that. In sympathy to that, I think we see some weakness in ING this morning, and you also see some weakness in Lloyd's, LYG. and you'll see that's trading a little bit lower as well. So again, we are seeing some bank stocks, European bank stocks, come under some pressure. All right, looking over at the gold market this morning, we have gold futures trading up $2.90 to $1,227.40 an ounce. If you take a look at the GLD this morning, you'll see that's trading around 117.07. So basically right around where it closed yesterday. But remember, gold futures close at 1:30 in the afternoon, where the GLD will trade till 4 o'clock. Crude oil today, which had a huge move yesterday. Crude was up about $2 on spot. Today it is lower by 36 cents. So we're seeing crude oil lower by 36 cents to $45.45 an ounce. If you take a look at crude oil in the USO, what you'll notice here is it's trading at around $10.24, reflecting a little downtick. So we're not going to make too much out of that at the moment. But again, we'll see how this all plays out today. A lot of traders now are looking at the U.S. dollar index, and what you're going to see here is the U.S. dollar index this morning hit a high right here at $100.55, and now it's pulled back a little bit. So again, dollar has just been on a tear since the Trump election victory, and we'll see where it goes today, but pulling back off the highs, but it is still positive on the session. So dollar will be in play today, and we'll see how that plays out. But again, we're going to cover all of this and more in the intraday stock chat room right at 9:30. So again, if you want to trade alongside of us, come on over, take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. We've had a sensational 2016, a great trading week so far. We're going to look to keep that going right into the end of the week. With that being said, everybody, I want to wish you all a great trading session, and we'll see you on the charts.